Okay, here we are today. We're going to be fitting the Tarmac Sportz DE strut bar. I've already removed the original one. I'm going to put this in 3 pieces. This is ideal because you can remove the feet off of the new bar. This will fit over the plenum with the Motordyne spacer already fitted. So I'll show you how we go. So first off, we're going for a contrast red. In with the strut bar brace, foot on the right. Just remove, replace the bolts. This uses the original bolts. I have some different ones here because I've run several different braces before. So these are just some different bolts that I fitted in the past. It does fit with all the originals. It's ideal just to leave them a little bit of play. And now you're going to put the bar in. As you can see, they come in a polished crossbar. The feet are either red or royal blue. They can be painted, but we sell them in red or blue. So it's a case of just put the bar in. Leave it loose to begin with. You just want to adjust it. And slide the bolts back through. As you can see, there's some space under there for the. So once you get it in place, do the feet up. So, Allen key one end, forward and spanner the other. So just pull the bar up slightly, hold it with your thumb. A little bit of tension on it. See, there's room under there. You can actually just give it a little lift, make sure it's catching for yourself. As you can see, I can get my fingers just under there. Go. So now it's all fitted. If for any reason you need to work on the engine and you need to get under the plenum or to the spark plugs, whatever, this strut brace, in my opinion, saves you a lot of hassle because you can now just remove the actual bar with these 2 bolts, one either side, and you can just release the bar. So the added benefit is you can leave all the feet in place, just remove the strut bar, and now you have access to the whole engine.